Welcome to The Vegas Vegan. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Christina and I'm a food and beverage professional. I take restaurant-style recipes and without giving up any taste, veganize them. We are going to make mac and cheese today, vegan style. Oh yes, and I'm going to shave so many calories from off of this restaurant staple recipe. It's gonna be gooey and creamy and wonderful. America's #1 comfort food? You got it, macaroni and cheese. This recipe is huge on cheese flavor and it is a crowd favorite. We've been eating this since we were kids and we still enjoy it today. I'm just going to substitute Earth Balance plant-based butter, nutritional yeast flakes, some almond milk, and some turmeric, and that's going to be my cheese. This is going to be easily digestible for those who can't normally eat cheese because of digestion problems, and it's going to be slashed in fat calories. So I just take 3 tablespoons of my Earth Balance plant-based butter. I take a cup of nutritional yeast flakes with a 1/4 cup of turmeric and then just a 1/2 cup of the almond milk. Almond milk is great for digestion and I'm just using 1/2 cup. That way this recipe doesn't be runny, it's nice and thick. Now I'm taking this and stepping it up a notch by adding my favorite product. This is Daiya cheese shreds. They're pea protein and coconut oil plant-based cheese, and it just melts so perfectly. And then you can make this recipe your own. Saute your own vegetables and put them on top like I did. Or you can actually bake this recipe. You can take it from the stovetop, put it in a baking dish, add some panko breading, hit it with a little bit of cooking spray, bake it at 400 degrees in the oven, and there you go. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Don't forget to hit that like and that subscribe button, and we'll see you again next time. Take care. My shirt is made by Mydra at Instagram. Her link is in my description box.